Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Masuma's World. Today I'm going to share my easy vanilla cupcake recipe. This is really easy to make. I'm not big fan of buttercream, so when I look for cupcakes, I always look for fresh cream cupcakes. So if you are looking for fresh cream vanilla cupcakes, then these cupcakes are just right for you. I hope you will enjoy this recipe, so let's start. So I just begin by 125 grams of unsalted butter, 125 grams of sugar. So basically same amounts of butter and sugar. Put in a large bowl and mix it until it's smooth and fluffy. Mix it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 2 large room temperature eggs, one at a time, in the butter mixture and mix it until it's well mixed. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add 125 grams of sifting self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I added pinch of salt in the flour, so the sweetness will be just right. Now gently mix all the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of full-fat milk in the butter mixture. You can add buttermilk instead of full-fat milk. At the very end, use a spatula or large spoon to ensure it has mixed properly. Butter is almost ready to go in the oven, so I am using a medium-sized spoon to transfer all the butters in the cupcake cases. Now I am going to place them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes in 170 degrees preheated oven. My cupcakes are ready, so I'll let them to cool down for a bit and then I'll start the decoration. For decoration, I'm going to use 300 grams of double cream, 80 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese, 100 grams of icing sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add cream and sugar in a large bowl and mix it for a couple of minutes until it's thick enough. Now add cream cheese and mix it until it's well combined. For flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. My frosting are ready, so I'm going to decorate my cake, and for decoration I'm using a star-shaped nozzle, which is medium size. My cupcakes turned out so nice and it looks amazing when I put some sprinkles on the top. These cupcakes were a great treat for my children. They really enjoyed them and I'm sure you all will enjoy. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching with me. See you on my next video. Bye for now.